Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Christina Chelsea Anna Sylvester, and I am a student from Polytechnic Kuching Sarawak. So this video is my presentations about steel structure. What are steel structure? A structure which is made from organized combination of structural steel members designed to carry load and provide adequate rigidity. Steel structure involve a substructure or members in a building made from structural steel. Element in a steel structure. Structural members is physically distinguishable part of structure with independent structural function. For example, member element, cable, beam, sections, and also on. Advantage of using steel in structure. High strength. The high ratio of strength to weight, the strength per unit weight. Excellent ductility and seismic resistance. Withstand extensive deformations without failure even under high tensile stress. Elasticity, uniformity of material, predictability of properties close to design assumption, ease of fabrications and speed of erection. Steel. The specific strength is a material strength, force per unit at failure, divided by its density. It is also known as the strength to weight ratio or strength per weight ratio. In favor of textile application. Most important, steel structure facility ease of fabrications and faster erections of structure. Bolt and welding employed for joining. Disadvantage of using steel in a structure. Susceptibility to corrosion, maintenance costs per thin walled structure, loss of strength at elevated temperature, fireproofing costs, susceptibility to bulking, fatigue and brittle fracture. Where and when use steel structure? First, long span structure. Second, multi-story and high-rise building. Third, buildings of heavy-duty plants. Fourth, tower and mast structure. Fifth, portal frame. Sixth, bridge. 7. Infrastructure. 8. Deployable structures. And 9. Generalized structure mechanical. Howrah Bridge. When commissioned in 1943, Howrah was the third longest cantilever bridge in the world. What is cantilever bridge? Cantilever bridge, a structure at least one portion of which act as an anchorage for sustaining another portions which extends beyond the supporting pier. So this is the figure of the bridge. General terms. Rivets are a permanent mechanical fastener. Before being installed, a rivet consists of a small cylindrical shaft with a head on one end. A panel joint is a point of connection between two or more members of a truss, also called node. A girder is a support beam used in construction. Girders often have an one beam cross sections for strength. A pin and hanger assembly is used to connect two plate girders of bridge. The assemblies are used when the space between two bridge piers is too wide to be spanned by a single set of girders. This is the figures. String are projections used for supporting the deck of a bridge. A bridge deck or road bed is the roadway or the pedestrian walkway surface of a bridge. It is not to be confused with any deck of a ship. An expansion joint or movement joint is assembly designed to safely absorb the heat induced expansions and construction material and to absorb vibration to hold parts together or to allow movement due to ground settlement and earthquakes. Movement occur for many different reasons, including variations in climate or temperature, movement in the frame, and movement in the foundation. Articulations joints are tied at specific intervals and thick with filler. Milled steel, also called plain carbon steel, is the most common form of steel because its price is relatively low, while it provides material properties that are acceptable for many applications, more so than iron. Low carbon steel contains approximately 0.05 minus 0.3% carbon, and one beam, also known as H-beam, is a beam with a one or H-shaped cross section. The horizontal elements of the eye are flanged, while the vertical element is termed the web. The web resists shear force, while the flange resists most of the bending moment experienced by the beam. Beam theory shows that the I-shaped sections is a very efficient form for carrying both bending and shear loads in the plane of the web construction. And that's all from me. Thank you.